Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Here I am Shanjida Rahman from College of Nursing, 𝐁𝐚𝐬𝐡, Dhaka. First of all, thank you sir for giving me the opportunity. Well, now I am a B.Sc nursing student. Last year I took preparation to get chance in B.Sc nursing. Today I want to share with you how did I take preparation for my admission test. Actually, taking good preparation is very important for admission test. I was mentally prepared that I will try my best to do well in my admission test. I had all the requirements to apply for the admission test, so I was eligible for the application. I knew about the mark distribution. 100 marks of MCQ questions was assigned for the exam. I bought a question bank to solve the previous year nursing admission test questions. I also bought a book that's name was Professor's Nursing Bhorti Prostuti Guide. I studied that book very well. I also follow the books of SSC and HSC like General Science, General Maths, Physics, Chemistry. I used to read newspapers sometimes to collect some general knowledge. But you know what? Only reading books is not enough to take a good preparation. It is also important to know how to utilize our time properly. I used to read 16 to 18 hours in a day. There was a routine for my study. I didn't waste a single moment by doing any meaningless work. I used to read in a group. There were some of my friends who were also interested to take admission in B.Sc nursing. I studied with them. We used to fix 2 hours daily to complete our group work. It was very helpful for us. These techniques helped me a lot. In this way, I took a good preparation for my admission test. At last, I want to save something for the examiners for their upcoming admission test. We all know that nowadays we are facing a traumatized issue, that is COVID-19. So my recommendation for the examinees are: firstly, stay safe and focused on your admission test preparation. Follow some good books, utilize your time properly, and be attentive on your studies. Use a technique which will help you to take a good preparation. Okay, thanks to everyone for hearing me. Assalamu alaikum.